some sheep are on the train track. Let's drive them away. Good job. Let's continue on our way. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get on the train. Here's my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken on scissors. Knife. Thank you. Here's my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken on scissors. Lighter. Thank you. Here is my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Let's firecrackers. Hammer. Thank you. We have arrived at the freight station. Let's load at the freight station. Let's load the goods onto the train. Good job. Let's action. We have arrived